Yay! Chocolaté.
She's got her treat though.
Go inside. It's time to go to sleep, Chocolaté. Call her. Tell her come. Chocolaté, go to sleep. Chocolaté. Night night, Chocolaté. Girl, it's time for you to go to bed. It's nighttime, okay? Come on. Let's go to sleep, Chocolaté. Gotta take these kids to bed tonight, y'all. Come on. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go to sleep, everybody. Good night, Rocket. Emma, Cinnamon, everybody else. Night, Chocolaté. Good job. You're welcome.